Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, ExpressVPN versus NordVPN versus Surfshark. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're trying to choose between ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and even Surfshark here, well, you're looking at the absolute best of the best. So, they all protect your data perfectly and they target completely different needs. Now, let's first talk about ExpressVPN. Now, ExpressVPN here is the premium dead simple choice. Now, they recently rolled out a fresh new look across their apps that includes advanced post-quantum security and a built-in password manager. Now, it runs on their proprietary lightweight protocol here, which connects almost instantly and is incredibly easy on your phone's battery life. Now, Express supports up to like 14 devices at once and is widely known for pure zero-hassle stability. Now, the main catch here is that it's traditionally the most expensive of the three, but you are paying for the absolute reliability here. Now, next is we have NordVPN, now which is the ultimate heavy-duty speed demon. Now, Nord runs a massive global network and uses its custom Nord Links protocol to deliver blazing fast speed, now making it the top pick for heavy 4K streaming or gaming. It has almost evolved into a full security suite here, building in a next-gen antivirus that actively scans and quarantines sketchy downloads before they can infect your computer, which is kind of cool. Now, Nord caps you at like for example 10 simultaneous devices here, so and you just have to watch out for a steep price jump when your initial term automatically renews. And finally, we have Surfshark. Now, Surfshark here is the absolute champion of budget and flexibility. Now, its superpower here is giving you complete unlimited device connection. So you can protect every single phone, smart TV, and laptop in your house under one single subscription. Now, it is significantly cheaper than the others, running just a few dollars a month here, and even includes cool features like a burner persona tool for sketchy website signups. So, if you want a dead simple, ultra reliable tool, in this case, pay for the premium for ExpressVPN. Now, if you want the maximum speed and a built-in antivirus here, well, you may want to check NordVPN. Now, if you want to save cash and cover your entire household here and just basically get it a lot cheaper, well, in this case, Surfshark is the smarter buy. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.